Good afternoon. This is the Sailfish 241 center console. This boat is powered by a 300 horsepower Yamaha XCA engine. It's got digital controls. You'll see the ski tow bar, which when you are not in the water sports mode, easily slides out of your way. This seat folds down. This boat comes with the optional jump seat, your live well for the serious fisherman. As we move forward to the helm area, we have the helm seat, which has the optional flip up, flip down bolsters. At the base of the helm station, you've got a built-in 2-bank battery charger. That is an option on this boat. The helm station you'll find to be very ergonomically designed. You've got a GPS, the Yamaha engine system, VHF radio, and stereo with additional overhead storage, both latched and wet-dry storage. With Sailfish, you're going to find that they have the highest gunnels in the industry. So this is where the side of the boat meets you to help keep you in the boat. Very deep cockpit. Rod storage on both sides at the stern. As we come forward in the helm, we've got an electric head with pump out. You also have dedicated storage for the bow table. And as we make our way to the bow, we have more storage in the sole. This boat comes with the comfort package, which gives you the cushions for the seats, the bolsters, and the forward-facing backrests, which adjust so that they go tuck away when you're not using them. And there is storage under each one of the seats. Thank you for watching today. And if you're interested in this boat, come on down to 627 Boston Post Road in Westbrook, Connecticut, or give us a call at 860-399-5581. Thank you very much.